Welcome or welcome back to Absolute Guitar Avenue. Today's video I'm going to explain how to stack chords. Okay, stacking chords. What does that mean? What that means is you're taking notes from a major scale and you're forming a chord. First you need to know the 12 notes, and those would be A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F sharp, G, G sharp, A. Then you need to know what the intervals are in a major scale, and that would be whole step, half step, whole step, whole step, whole step, half step. Or an easier way to remember that would be 2 whole steps, then a half step, then 3 whole steps and a half step. And then third, what you do from that major scale, you find the first note, the third note, and the fifth note. And in this case, I'm going to use C major triad for an example, because there's no sharps or flats, so it'll be the easiest to explain to you guys. So in a C major scale, you have the notes C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and C. And then also what an interval is just the distance between 2 notes. So now we know the notes are C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and C. What you do, like I said, find the first note. First note would be C, then D, E would be the third, F, G would be the fifth. And you have C, E, and G. That makes a C major triad chord. So if you're getting value out of this lesson, consider subscribing. And also, if you have any other questions or comments or any other videos you want me to make, just comment below. I'd love to hear them. Now I'm going to explain how to stack a major triad chord with a sharp note in it. It's a little more complicated, but once you get the idea of how to do it, it's a piece of cake. And first, I'll just tell you the notes without the sharps or flats would be G, A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. You need to find out if the whole steps and half step intervals are correct. So you have G to A, whole step, that's what we want. A to B, whole step, that's what we want. B to C, that's 1 fret away, so that's a half step, that's what we want. C to D, another whole step, that's good. D to E, whole step, that's good. E to F, that's a half step, we need a whole step. And then F to G is a whole step and we need a half step. So what you do to fix that is you take that F, you make that F an F sharp, and there's your whole step. You need E to F sharp instead of E to F. So you change E to F to E to F sharp. And then that F sharp now, F sharp to G, makes it a half step. So the notes in a G major scale will be G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, and G. Almost the same as a C, it's just that F sharp makes a G major scale. So now if you want to watch any more of my videos, just tap it wherever it pops up. Oh, and also make sure to like, share, subscribe, and tap that bell so you get notified anytime I come out with any more videos, and I'll see you in the next one.